Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about gift cards. It's the holiday shopping season, buying gift cards, giving gift cards, using gift cards. But what are the pros and cons when we break everything down about using gift cards? Stores may want you to think that gift cards are cash, treat them like cash, but as we probably know, they aren't. I'm going to list out some pros and cons that I come up with today. If you like the video, be sure to get subscribed, like the video, comment down below, join the Discord. Let's get into it. So we'll start off with the pros, the positives about gift cards. Number one, especially during the holiday season, I feel like gift cards such an easy gift to give. If you don't know what people want, throw in an Amazon gift card, even better yet, a Visa gift card. But be warned, Visa gift cards do come with a small fee to activate the card. So if you get a gift card from somebody, I guess in terms of flexibility wise, yeah, gift cards are a lot cooler because you can spend it on whatever you want if it's a store you like. Something like Amazon, you can pretty much go on there and get anything. Most people nowadays have Amazon accounts anyways. Check the link down below, get you some holiday shopping. But it is free gifts that you have the flexibility to choose from. Number two, going off of the price, there are a ton of offers and deals all the time on various gift cards. For example, Apple gift cards, Uber gift cards, DoorDash gift cards, Best Buy, different retailers, restaurants. You can easily find gift cards for 10 to 20% off. For example, a $50 gift card for $40 or something like that. Those deals aren't uncommon. So if you know you like a certain shop, you like a certain store, you shop there a lot, then this might make sense. If you already have an upcoming purchase plan, then this is just an extra discount on top of that, absolutely free. The downsides, however, we will get into later. There are some downsides to using gift cards. I'd obviously rather be able to get $40 cash for $50, so that's why there's always a catch with these things. But if you can find one on sale, great. And even aside from sales, now there are online gift card websites or extensions like Honey that will offer you a gift card for a discounted price either at checkout, or you can go search it out. Places where you can buy and sell gift cards. You can go out there and buy a gift card for like 5% off, and if you know you're going to go there, then it's just a free 5% off. So as you can see, not that many pros of gift cards actually. I love them. You know, I'll admit, I always have an Amazon gift card balance on my Amazon account. I just use Amazon so much. But other stores, not as much. I get a lot of gift cards, some that kind of just been having around for a long time. I probably never end up using, like Starbucks Coffee Bean. Don't really go there, so it's just been sitting around. But that's exactly why companies and retailers would rather you have and use gift cards and buy them, because there's no downside. The worst that can happen is that I give Amazon $50 and they give me a $50 gift card. I use that $50 gift card to buy something that's worth $50. Best case scenario, it's net zero. Worst case scenario, it's net zero. But best case scenario, I buy somebody a $50 gift card. They lose the gift card. They forget about the gift card. They never use the gift card. The gift card expires. I just chucked out $50. Amazon got $50 and didn't have to do anything in return. Right? Every year there are billions of dollars of gift cards that are left unused or forgotten about. So that's why I'd obviously rather use cash, rather use credit card, my own money, but there are more cons than pros for gift cards. Let's get into it. We already kind of talked about the first point, getting lost or forgotten funds, but also with the money, it actually encourages you to spend more, which is another positive for the retailer and a negative for you as the consumer if your goal is to save money. For example, if I have a $10 gift card, I'll probably go to that store, try to buy something, but chances are the thing I want is going to be more expensive than that, so I'll end up just taking that $10 as a discount, or it will not be exactly $10, maybe it'll be $4, and then I'll just go back again to use up the money that's remaining on my gift card because I don't want to waste it. Now, there are places where you can try to sell gift cards, but like anything you sell online, they'll usually take a cut of it. Unless you sell it in person to like your friend or something, it could be harder to get rid of. Number two are returns. With cash, if you buy something with cash or a credit card, you don't like it, didn't really work out for you, return it, the money goes back to you. But if you got a gift card, let's say you got a $50 gift card for $40, you thought that you really wanted this item, you went out and bought it, you get it, it's actually not that great, you actually didn't really want it, you don't like it. If you go and return it, they're just gonna give you a gift card back. So you're stuck now. You're stuck with that merchant. It's not a credit back onto your credit card. It's not cash back into your hands. You're stuck with gift card or store credit value that you have to try to find something else to spend it on. If you didn't have anything else in mind, once again, you're either left trying to sell this card or credit at a loss, or to just buy something, anything, maybe might even be more expensive, and you're actually going to put some money up yourself. I mentioned this earlier with the pros. If you shop there a lot, you know you're going to buy things. Even if you return it, you're going to make use of the credit. Then yeah, gift cards at a discount, great way. I said online, you can find gift cards for 5-10% off. For example, if it's something like a restaurant or food, you can't really return that purchase. So Domino's gift card, if I can get it 5% off every time, that's just 5% discount every time I go to Domino's. Pretty sweet deal if I like Domino's. What are we at? 3 for the cons, 3 or 4 now. Not as flexible, and they can expire with the balance. Most places will never expire, but some may have an expiration date. Others may start charging you a service fee if you don't use that card or that balance like at least once a year or some other predefined period of time. And also, if that store or retailer eventually goes bankrupt, closes everything down, then you're not going to be able to use that money, that credit, because obviously that company no longer exists. So at the end of the day, it's kind of like a weird dilemma, right? On one hand, gift cards are a super easy gift, very general gift. Some may say boring, but others may see it as more flexibility if you're doing like a Secret Santa or a white elephant. Maybe you're not into like makeup or cooking supplies or clothes. Maybe you'd rather just have a $20 Amazon gift card. But on the other hand, the laundry list of cons with gift cards, inflexible, you can lose it, forget about it. You're tied down to one store. It will ultimately depend on your shopping habits. I guess the message here is if you have a choice, obviously go with your own money. Credit card, that is, over debit card. I have a whole nother video talking about that, but credit card comes with protection, flexibility, all that good stuff that debit cards or cash may not have. Obviously, you'd rather have the flexibility, but this was just a quick discussion on gift cards. I thought I'd just make a quick video. Holiday season shopping, using gift cards, buying gift cards, giving people gift cards. Maybe the next gift, or what we should start doing instead of store gift cards, is just straight cash. Stuff that envelope with cash. That white elephant exchange, 20 bucks cash. Who would say no? Just a thought. But hey, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to hit that like button. Want to subscribe to the channel, stick around, hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment down below, all that good stuff. Hope you all enjoy the holiday season, enjoy the holiday shopping season. Don't spend too much money. See you next year. Peace.